Hey buddies, I just hit myself in the eye a little bit, but hey guys, it's me again. Look at this. I did it. I made another video. Um, so today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite go-to recipes for when I want a snack or when I want a snack. Um, so like, yeah. So yeah, here's some of my favorite recipes. Some of them are quick. Most of them are because I'm impatient and stuff. But yeah, let's get started.
So we'll start with the first recipe. In which you'll need a bag with some brownies in it. As you can see me here. Wait, yeah. And that's about all you need. Yum, am I right? My next go-to snack is really easy. All you need is, well, some cashews. And you just take the lid off and nom nom nom, there you go. You got your own little snack. Yum, am I right? For our next easy, quick snack recipe, all you really need is like a piece of bread. So, yeah, and now you have your own snack. Yum, am I right? For my next option, I decided I'd go with something a little more healthier. So I decided on a juicy pear. Oh wait, these are fake. Gotcha! Yum, am I right? My next recipe might be a little familiar to you. I mentioned it in my daily routine video. But this one is cereal, so you'll need, cereal and milk, a bowl, and a spoon. I already told you this, but just in case you need a refresher. First, you put in the cereal. Good job, Abby. Then comes the milk. Good job, Abby. And now, well, now you have your own snack, as you can see. Good job, Abigail. Yum, am I right? For our next recipe, what you will need is, some cheese, any kind you like. And a little bowl, like you can see right here. Start by putting the cheese into the little bowl. And, well, that's basically it. Now you have a snack. Yum, am I right? For our final recipe, you'll need some ice cream of your choosing, of course, and, well, a big spoon. Now you have a snack right there in your hands. Be careful though, because it's a little bit cold, but now you have a snack. Yum, am I right?
baby without a thing.
In the arms of angels. Okay, well guys, that's all the time we have left for today. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe video for you to enjoy. And I hope you use these sometime in the future. Let me know if you do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Give it a like if you did. Yeah, bye guys.